Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm sharing with you something new, something different, and today we're gonna be seeing a town center at Boca Raton walkthrough. So this is a mall which is named Town Center at Boca Raton. Boca Raton is in South Florida. It's a different city. I was there, so I decided to walk through their mall and see what they have. They have a lot of new stores that we do not have in Orlando. So I took a long walk around this mall and saw a lot of interesting things. It's a beautiful mall. Interior is amazing. There are a lot of new things that I got to see and experience which I have not seen before. So let's start. As you can see here, they have beautiful fountains and beautiful sitting areas, and it was not too busy. I think it was middle of the week when I went to the mall. So, and it was like around in the evening time, like 5 o'clock or so. So there were not many people, but that gave me an opportunity to walk freely. But in certain places there were a lot of people as compared to the other places. So you can see we saw Tiffany, we saw Atleta, and now we're heading towards J. Crew. You can see how beautiful their interiors is. So it's basically butterflies at Boca Raton. That's what their hashtag was. So I will show you beautiful butterfly decorations they have. So you can see this store on the right that's called Shusha. We don't have that in Orlando. And you can see this beautiful chair and sitting area they have. And look at those tiles, so beautiful, so nice. And this there's a Michael Kors store on my left. So we do have that in Orlando, but there are a lot of things that were really like inspiring and very beautiful about this place. You can see these chairs were really beautiful. They have a Tory birch on my left, and here's a butterfly. So this is the butterfly that was in a lot of places, but there was the biggest butterfly I saw. So the butterflies at Town Center Boca Raton. It was a nice hashtag and nice logo they have. So now we're heading towards Gucci. So they have a lot of branded stores, a very big mall, but everything is very nice and very well organized. So we have Gucci here. On my left is Louis Vuitton, and I have shared my Saks Fifth Avenue video previously, which I will be sharing at the end of this video. You can go and check it out, which is also in this mall. And Louis Vuitton has its separate store here in this mall, and it's also available inside Saks Fifth Avenue. So if you want to avoid long lines and you want to shop privately, you can always check out Louis Vuitton inside Saks Fifth Avenue. So now we're walking forward, and on my left is Lululemon, which is also I have shared in my previous videos, but not from here. It was from Orlando store, but if you want to see this store in Boca Raton, I can always share with you. If I'm there again, I will share this beautiful store with you. It's really popular. They have amazing workout attires, amazing tights. Their tights are really good and very comfortable. And on my right now it's a Coach store and Vince on my left. And there's a new store which has been in Orlando for a while now. It's called Psycho Bunny. It's an interesting name of this brand. It's a basically clothing store. We have it in Orlando. If I get a chance, I will share with you. Now this is a new store called, I have no idea how to pronounce it. I would call it Vel. It's a jewelry store. And on my front you can see Swarovski is here, and there is another diamond jewelry store. It's called, if I can get a good look, no, I couldn't get a good look of it. So it's a jewelry store. And there's a new Laderack is a new chocolate store in all over Florida. Basically it was replaced by Godiva store. And we also saw Bloomingdales. And on this side we have Steve Madden store, and on my right there is a Selfie World. So Selfie World I shared with you in my Florida mall video. They have this store in Orlando as well. Casper is on my left, and on my right there's this interesting store named Windsor. So they have these evening clothes for parties and casual clothing. So it was new, so I decided to have a look at it. So you can see they have these party dresses, and so it was new, so I had a look at it. And there's Auntie Anne's, so this is the food court. And now on this side they have Intimissimi. Those hats like your lingeries and all those things are here. And we're heading towards Sunglass Hut, which is all over the country, I believe. And there's another undergarment store, and on my left there's K Jewelers. K Jewelers also in Orlando. You can see Boca Butterflies Town. Boca Raton Butterflies is their hashtag, like I said. So as we move forward, there's a Starbucks coming. So there was Starbucks was in the middle of the mall, and it was like basically open, so people were lining up and ordering their drinks. You can see it was very nice. It reminded me of another place I have been in the past. I don't remember, but there are a lot of malls here in I would say United States, where they have open Starbucks where you can enjoy your drink instead of being in a store, which I like because you can look around and you can talk to each other instead of being cramped in a small space. And Starbucks are always busy at malls, so this I would prefer. So you can see here they have this beautiful sitting area. This is basically, I would say, middle of the mall, and this beautiful fountain is here. People were hanging out, they were enjoying their drinks, and they were just chilling. So overall I really enjoyed the layout of this mall. You can see how spacious it is. It's so wide, there's so much space to walk and hang out, and it's not like everything is like in small space. No, there's a lot of space to walk and enjoy, and the seating arrangement is amazing. And this is the store I found. Peloton, everybody knows Peloton. We don't have Peloton store in Orlando, so you can buy your Peloton from here. And if you don't know what Peloton is basically your workout machines, like your treadmills. They have a bike. They came out with the bike first, and which is extremely popular. So they have Pandora here, and they have a lot of booths in the middle, which are like for random things, for jewelry, sometimes for hairstyling, and sometimes for food. On my left is Vans, and there was also a bubble tea place here. I didn't try it. It's called the Juicy Bubbles, so I did have a look at it, but I didn't go there. And Foot Locker is approaching. There's Claire's here. I always want to go to Claire's, and I feel like they have these cute things for kids. And now I'll show you something really interesting. So there's a store here which is called the Container Store, which in Orlando is not inside the mall, it's right outside the mall. But here in this mall, it's right inside this mall, and it's a huge store. And I'm a big fan of Container Store. They have like a lot of storage things you can buy. They have like hangers, so many different colors, however you want to organize your home, your closet, anything, everything is available in this store. If I get a chance sometime, I will definitely share this store with you. It's an amazing store for household storing and storage items. So they have a GameStop here. They have Lens Crafters here. I wonder why they always have Lens Crafters. It's like a corner of the malls. So, well, it's a really important store. Now they have T-Mobile here as well, and you can see there's another sitting area over here on from the other side. So I was walking that way, now I'm walking the other side of the mall. So there's such a huge mall. I did skip some of the stores and some of the places because it was too much. So Neiman Marcus is on my right, Tommy Bahamas is on my left. So I came from the other side. There's a Starbucks in the middle, and now we're going on it's like a fork. So I came from the left, now I'm going towards the right. So basically it's my left now. Now we're heading up Sephora. Sephora is everywhere, so that's not new. Now you can see a lot of people on this side of the mall, because I think there's Starbucks here, so a lot more people like to hang out on this side of the mall. And there's a Rolex store here. That's the Starbucks we were talking about. And there's Mayor's here. Mayor's is, I think, a watch store. I have never been to that store. And there's Aldo here as well. The one thing I didn't see here was Banana Republic. I have no idea why there's no Banana Republic in this mall. I went to every corner, there's no Banana Republic here. And here's there's a Tesla store here. I have shared Tesla store from Orlando Mall with you. If you want to check it out, you can definitely go out and check out my videos. They have AT&T store and Aldo. I said Aldo store is here. And Benter used to be Piercing Pagoda, but now it has changed to Benter, so you can get your ear pierced at this place. I have had a piercing here and the experience was amazing. And it heals so quickly. So here's the Apple store. So when I went here, before that, let me show you Victoria's Secret. Everybody loves Victoria's Secret. If you know, you know what it is. So Apple store. When I went to the this mall, of iPhone 14 had just come out, so they had lines here for iPhone 14. So I will definitely share iPhone 14 with you from the Apple store, inshallah, soon, whenever I get a chance. Right now stores are like packed with people because they're buying new phone. As soon as this goes down, I will share the new phone with you. So now we're heading towards the end of the mall. So because it was too crowded, it took me some time to get out of there. So there's Champs store here, and the Champs is basically sneakers and shoe store. There's one store here I really want to share with you. It's a home store, and whenever I'm down there again, I will definitely share. And every mall has Macy's. There's Macy's here. It's like one of my favorite stores to shop at. And there's White Barn and Bath and Body Works. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this tour and walkthrough of this town center at Boca Raton. If you want to see more such videos and you want to see more stores from this mall, let me know in the comment section. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.